Hello dear viewer, in this video I will teach you how to install the 10th or 11th Windows in 3 minutes without too much water, but at the same time quite intelligibly starting from this second. Let's go. To install Windows cleanly, you will need a USB flash drive with a capacity of at least 8 GB inserted into the computer, preferably into the motherboard. The tool for creating the official Windows image can be downloaded from the description of this video. The process is simple. First, choose to create an installation media. Then, if desired, select the system language, and at the end, a USB flash drive for installation. I keep in mind that the flash drive will be completely cleaned, so save the necessary information on other disks, and not only the information from the flash drive, but also from the system disk C:, since it will also be formatted during the installation process. Plus, here's my advice. Rename the volumes to make it easier to sort them out during installation. For convenience, name the disk C:system, name the rest as you like. Also, just in case, download the LAN or WIFI driver from your motherboard or laptop page. It might not even be useful to you, but God take care. And now the media for installation is ready, so we can start. Reboot the system and press the boot menu button like crazy. These buttons are different on different boards, but they are usually F8, F11, or F12. Select your USB drive, click Next, Install. I do not have a product key. I advise you to choose the Pro version, agree to the license, custom installation. And just for this point, we rename the disks. We delete the systems and other unnamed sections. As a result, one empty section will appear. Click on it and click Next. After the installation process, the computer will restart and the system configuration process will begin. If your computer is connected to the internet, you can create or log into your Microsoft account. If you are not connected, then just create a regular local account. Then you can remove the privacy points, although it doesn't do much good. Well, here you have a freshly installed system. What I can recommend first is to download and install the drivers for the graphics card and all the security patches from Windows Update. As for activation, it's up to you how to do it, but I'll say this, it's better to buy an official license. Well, the little tricks are Windows settings. Open personalization, themes, and mouse settings. Disable cursor acceleration here, so that the cursor and mouse movements are one-in-one. If you have SSD drives, then disable indexing of the system disk, thereby prolonging its life. On Windows 10, write background apps in the search and disable them completely. That's all. Use Windows to your heart's content. Of course, in general, this is very brief information, especially for those who want to come to Windows 10 or 11 with an older version of Windows. But the point is that for others, this video should be as brief and relevant as possible. For those who already need a more comprehensive solution to their problems, there are a lot of videos on the topic on YouTube. Well, NexTToo was with you. Don't waste your time. Good luck to all of you, and bye-bye.